So you guys just popped a bunch of poppers. Can you bring it close so I can get a video of it, Nico?
Read the note. Have you seen the note?
What the? Woo!
Nick, don't go on Miss Jacqueline's grass, okay?
Now that's what I call a surprise.
Oh, there's more. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, no, baby, it's okay.
Here, let me just get the picture of it, Nick. Thanks, dude.
He wants to do it around for you. Hey, Rachel.
Cool, I got it. I'm gonna go
Do you want to come inside? There's more.
I want to get the poppers that you guys popped when I walked out the door here.
Oh, there's more. Hey guys, you ready? Do you guys want to do the actual thing that we just did the errand for?
I'm 41 today. Cool.
Hey, stay out here, okay? Stay
How
out
long
here.
is this gonna take, girl?
Just like a minute.
There's a car I'm gonna be saying goodbye to. Hello, wifey. Whoa. Crazy, Nick.
Do you want to watch it? Do you want to watch it fly up in the air? Like.
It's kind of getting tangled, so if you drag it, it might pop.
Do you want to watch it fly in the air tonight? The balloon?
Yeah.
Like, let it go and it'll...
I'm waiting for my surprise. This was also a surprise, actually.